Today I am explaining about the valency electrons chemistry for 10th class. So what is meant by valency? So valency means the combining capacity of an element. So combining capacity means the number of electrons participating during the chemical reactions. Suppose I am writing see here electron configuration of magnesium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So it is a metal. Magnesium is a metal. So generally magnesium it loses 2 electrons to form Mg+2. Because of metals are generally it loses the electron to form positive ions. These positive ions are called cations. So because of they are rich of electrons, that's why they donating to electrons other non-metals. So here magnesium it loses the 2 electrons to attain the octet configurations. See here, after before electron configurations 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 magnesium electron configuration. It loses 2 electron to form Mg+2 ion. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So what is that? See here, number of electrons present in outermost shell 8 electrons. So it attains the octet configuration. So due to this, it form +2 ion. So that's why we consider as a magnesium valence is 2. So what is that? 2. How can you say generally the metals valency? Easy we can say. How? So metals valency electrons equal to the valency. So valency electrons means the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. Number of electrons present in outermost shell. Outermost shell means last shell. In the last shell, how many electrons is there? That we consider as a valency electrons. Suppose see here, the number of valency electron present in metals in magnesium 2 because of last shell is third shell. Suppose I am writing see here chlorine atomic number is 17. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So it is the last shell is third shell. Means it is contain 7 electrons. 7 electrons. So number of valence electrons 7. Because of the last shell is third shell. This third shell contain 7 electrons. So and magnesium contain 2 electrons. Because of the last shell it is also third shell only, but it exists only 2 electrons. So generally we can calculate the metals valency. Valency electrons equal to the valency. Generally we can say first A group, second A group, third A group. Number of valency electrons equal to the valency. So number of valency electrons equal to the valency. This is about the metals valency. We can find out first A and second A, third A group elements. Next we go for valency electrons. We already discussed. But what about non-metals valency? Metals we can say metals valency number of valency electrons equal to the valency. But what about non-metals valency? So non-metal valency we can calculate easily by using of simple formula 8 minus valency electrons. 8 minus valency electrons. Suppose chlorine here. The chlorine is atomic number is 17. The electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So what is the last shell? What is the outermost shell? Third shell. In the third shell how many electrons is there? 2 plus 5, 7 electrons. So now here by using this formula we can say 8 minus 7, 1. So what is the valence of chlorine? 1. So means here The non-metals valency we can calculate by using above 8 minus valency electrons or 8 minus group number. 8 minus group number. Simple we can say. Next class I will say group number how to find out. So this is about the valency and valency electrons. Suppose another one I am giving here sodium. 11 atomic number is 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Outermost shell is third shell. Third shell how many electrons exist? 1. So that's why it is a metal, no? So metal means sodium valence is 1. Suppose I am writing here oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 8. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here first shell and second shell. In the second shell exist 2s and 2p. In this 2s and 2p contain 6 electrons. 6 electrons. In the case of non-metals, we can calculate valency by using of 8 minus valency electrons. So what are the valency electrons present in the oxygen? 6 electrons. 6 valence. Formula what is 8 minus 6 electrons. So what is that? Valency 2. So oxygen valence is 2. This is about the concept of valency and valency electrons.